Very first drive of it. Dad's very first drive of it. Woo, baby! Alright guys, we're here at Jackson Dragway running the last combo race they're going to have this year. This will be the first time the track's opened back up since the lightning storm. They got the timing system. So got the Savoy out here and took it down the track, well, down the return road. Fan, we got a reverse polarity. It's pulling, it should be pushing. So let's do that. All right, so now we got the fan pushing instead of pulling, because if you're going down the track and air's coming this way and it's pulling this way, it's fighting itself. That's not smart. So, word, got that done. Boys, adjusting seatbelts. It's almost time. Satellite in the Savoy. Now, we don't have anybody to video with. So, as always, you're just on a GoPro. But first time show, go up and I'll be in the satellite, he'll be in the Savoy. We're gonna go side by side. So, yeah, see how it goes. All right, ladies and gents, the first pass ever on the Savoy coming up right now. Something happened. I saw it let out early. 152 60 foot. That's not good. Shocks need to be way adjusted. But it still went at 691 and 88, letting out way early. So, and it's over 220 right now. So we probably need to retorque the heads and see what we see. See if the oil's got any water in it. All right, so we're in the lane for a freestyle call. It's gonna spread. Dang it. Alright, cut it off. Dang it. Biggie! Biggie! right, second pass went about 500 foot. Started breaking up again. We're losing fuel pressure, but it went at 685. We dropped a little bit off the 60 foot, which we made a few shock adjustments. We're gonna have to make some more, obviously, but it's getting there. It is getting there. All right, guys, here's our one official. Hopefully that's out of our system now. Let's see what we did.
Did you catch that? Watch it again.
All right, so 14 red and went a 733 with an 8. So we're gonna dial it to 33 and go from there. So good times. Whew. I guess we'll put back up round 1. See where we go. Hopefully no red lights. Well, boys and girls, that's gonna do it for the Savoy for today. I'm gonna see if I talk to him later, see if we can get another pass in. It's losing, like I said, it's losing fuel pressure up at the top. The regulator adjuster keeps backing out. So we got another regulator. Tomorrow's the test and tune day. Dad's gonna come out and do it. I gotta go to my #1 fan's birthday party. That's you, Layla. It's my niece going to her birthday party. So I love races. Family's more important. So I'm the satellite. And hopefully we go some rounds. There ain't no buybacks or nothing, so we'll see what she do. All right, ladies and gents, going up first round. Wait, qualifying. I don't really know how they did qualifying because we didn't have a dial in, so it's probably based off your actual time. Anyway, we got Matt right there, the old white Malibu. So he's gonna have to run us down. I'm ready. Just waiting on him to pull up and get our pans and we'll be good to go. So wish us luck going in round 1. All right, everybody, let's go. First round. First pair down the track. Thanks, Bubba. brown light, but it also went a 730. So I broke out by a lot. There ain't no re-entry fees. Oh, there ain't no re-entries. So we done for the day. That was easy. Oh well, have fun. 3 passes. Yeah. And load her up. We have fun. Now we can go home and work on the duster. So, see you. Bye.